I've searched the internet and I found this Digital Microscope. So that's the microscope, a cleaning claw, which is super cool. Manual, quite thick, and USB type C to A. And this is how it looks like. It has a big screen, couple of buttons. On the side we do have a knob for a light, reset button, USB type C and memory card, so you can record your stuff. There's a knob for focus and height adjustment, which is cool. Unfortunately, there is no plates in the box, so you have to buy them separately. But you can use something else. Well, and it has a built-in battery. Wow. Looks like an alien. Damn. Okay, let's have a look on the legs. Oh. Oh, check it out. Damn. That is super cool. I do have some more stuff, like a flower, and check out that flower in close-up. That is cool. We can zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in, let me put it a bit closer. Okay, we need to add some focus. Check it out, a little more. Wow, basic. I mean, it's cool. We can do more. We can do way more. Check this out. Wow, every tiny bit. Impressive. Wow, a fungus action. That's cool. A mosquito. That is impressive. For such a toy. That's the mosquito head. So many details. Can we do more? Wow. Super cool. The device itself has a little menu, which we can change the resolution. Language, let me switch for something like English. There's French, Deutsch, Italian, and many more. Let's stick with English. You can see we do have language settings, time settings, screen saver, flickering in 50 and 60 format, reset, and version, which is super cool. I think it's great for kids, youngsters, or even adults. Inexpensive microscope. Link in the description. See you next video.